What's up, friends? So maybe the worst day of the year to find something that you really want to hunt at the junkyard. But I recently purchased this Porsche and it needs a couple pieces of plastic that are like $90 each, and it looks like this Cayenne in the junkyard has what I need. Terrible snowy day, but if these parts are there, I kind of need to go get them regardless. Let's go. Conditions aren't terrible, but you know, quite a bit of standing snow in the road. Not really the ideal day for hitting the junkyard, but duty calls. Gotta get these pieces. I thought it was going to be miserable out here, but it's actually not that bad. A little bit of snow actually keeps it from being muddy, which is nice. Kind of peaceful. Row 41 is what we're here for. Looking for this crashed Porsche Cayenne, and it looks like we found it. Porsche, there is no substitute. This Cayenne has definitely seen better days. Big side swipe, just ripped it apart. I'm looking for a nice donor bumper, but not many of those exist for cheap, and I need a turbo one, really. The tail lights look pretty nice, but all the typical things have been kind of looted, including, like, I don't know, they tore the command system out, and I don't know what happened to the seatbelt. Headlights were robbed, of course. And big brakes, those seem like they have gone almost instantly. Let's see. Does it have what I'm looking for? Oh, it looks like it does. This piece is like 80 bucks. Just a little piece of plastic that I'm missing. Let's see what else this thing has. I'm looking for a piece on my steering wheel. No way. It's actually the same color interior as my car, which is cool. And I'm looking for this piece right here off my steering wheel. In fact, this is the color steering wheel that I should have in my car, but it's been switched out. I don't think I'm interested in trying to pull this one though. So I did kind of score on these mats, made in Sweden. Obviously factory fit for the Porsche Cayenne, and unfortunately this last one is really in a nasty zone. I don't know what was going on back here. Looks like maybe they were cleaning their bong while they were smoking cigs and drinking coffee, and now I gotta get in here and get this nasty mat up out of here. So gross. So gross. So this is the haul here. We've got some mats. Got this piece of plastic that goes on the steering wheel, a little piece of trim I was missing. That's like a $90 piece. Got this one over here. This is a little piece of trim that goes on the nut that holds the rear windshield wiper on. That's another like $80 piece. This is a wire harness for the front headlights. I've got one headlight that's like intermittent, and it could just be that the harness is loose on my particular headlight, but sometimes these are known to crack, and so that can be the problem. I haven't even looked at what the problem is with mine, but this is probably the cheapest I'm ever gonna get it right here. And then these are some little clips. These commonly break on the backs of the driver and passenger seat that hold the back part of the seat together. So I just gently pried these off. The other ones were broken actually, so I got 2 of these. I think one of mine might be broken. I'm gonna glue these up. This is gonna be good. And then this is a center console piece. It's removable and it's like 2-stage, like stiff plastic and rubber, and it always breaks, I guess. Mine is a little bit broken, so this one's a little bit better. Can't be that much. It's worth the purchase, so not bad. Definitely worth coming to the yard. I think Pepper is going to be excited about these Junkyard gems. Yeah, always satisfying when you can fit a piece right in the lot. All right, so you can see what I'm working with here. Some nice Porsche branded mats, but still, I think those new rubber mats are gonna outshine. And this piece right here. Oh, so good. See what I'm saying? This one should be the color of the one in the yard, but I don't mind it, and it doesn't look nearly as beat up as that other one. You can see what I'm saying about my center console. Just broke. The cup holder's broke right there, so that other one is actually cracked where this one's cracked, but it doesn't have a gaping hole, so slight upgrade. So there we go. All-weather mats looking lovely, installed. Center console piece in place, looking nice. Some mats on the far side, can barely see them. And of course, steering wheel now looks complete. All in all, successful mission. All that stuff was only $20.37 for the mats, the pigtail, the pieces of trim, all that stuff. I don't know. What do you think those mats would have cost? Sure, they're used, but heavy duty rubber like that. And then I happen to know that the little centerpiece here, this guy, look that up, that was like $90, $95 on eBay if you can find one. The little piece on the back, the little cover for the bolt that holds on the rear wiper, that was like another $80 or $90 used on eBay. So yeah, pretty excited. What a find. Bad day to go, but you know, when you're sitting there on your couch and you're scrolling through row 52 and you see that there's a crashed Cayenne at your local yard, you kind of got to go, right? You got to go, got to see. And so the fruits of the labor, the victory of the hunt, yeah, couldn't be happier. Thanks for coming junking with me. Junking with a Porsche is a rare opportunity, but definitely scored. So as ever, y'all be well. If you enjoyed the episode, drop a like on it. Maybe hit me with a subscribe. Certainly would appreciate it. Little glitch there. Anyway, catch you on the next one.